Good morning. So we just checked into Gilliam. It's been like so many people in this jacuzzi. I'm sure you have. We're gonna be here for like the weekend, Friday to Sunday, me and my baby. So it's a little vacation. I feel like this place is amazing. Like it has the best views ever. Right now I just wanted to tell you guys, like, I just checked in, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see the vlog, we're gonna get up to like the whole weekend, keep on watching. So this is our presidential suite. A lot of people watch me that are not in Cyprus, so if you're not in Cyprus, so many people ask me like where they should come for vacation and stuff. I feel like you should come here if you're watching me from any other country, especially UK. I get a lot of people from there. So okay, let's get in. That's me. Okay, so now walking in, you'll see this. There's a little couch, so pretty. They gave us like a little platter and wine, like for welcome and stuff like that. So let me show you this. I think this is a coffee maker, and you know, some little snacks for us. And let me see the bar. I'm actually seeing everything for the first time with you guys, so there's a little bar with everything that is not healthy, but what's new. And yeah, let's go up. I like the little lights that are going down. This is like really pretty. Alrighty, so here, okay, so here is where we're gonna be. It's so pretty. Tell me this is not zen. Like, this is so like chilled vibes. So yeah, we've got like AC, little lights and stuff. This is our bed. I feel like, yeah, this is like this is a really nice place. But like what gives me like a little is like this bed. Like everyone who has come to this presidential suite, if you came here and slept in a presidential suite, everyone that has slept here has slept in the same bed. So it's like okay, I don't want to see where everyone else slept. I feel like they should like have maybe 5 presidential suites with different themes, in my opinion. Like I don't want to see where everybody has slept. That's the only thing that I would say I don't like about this place. But it's so pretty, so pretty, you guys. See how quiet it is. Like literally I'm the only one making noise right now. It's so chilled. So this is like the balcony. You see, my vlogging skills are shit because Sammy vlogs for me, but we move. Okay, so that's the place. Let me show you guys the bathroom. I feel like the bathroom is so pretty. Like, let's go inside. Let's go inside. Oh my god, you guys, this bathroom is beautiful. Like, I don't know, it just has like a very classy, clean vibes. Like, it's so pretty. Hey, so this is like the bathroom mirror. This is like, you know, sink and some little like, what's this? Focus is like shampoo. It doesn't want to focus. So pretty. I love this place. Okay, so let me show you views from where you will be taking a shower. How cool is this? Alrighty, so let's go down. I feel like the only thing, these are our little like robes, and yeah. So we're gonna be here. My boyfriend literally saw me filming and you ran away. So we're gonna be here for like the weekend for like 3 days. I can't wait to show you guys what we'll get up to and the little activities we have. So I'm about to like get into my bikini and probably take a few pictures here. probably take a few pictures here. And yeah, just get clean for dinner and probably get some. Okay, sunset. It's gonna be pretty.
Views. know the vibes.
Baby, welcome to the party.
Woo woo.
No. Welcome to the party.
Nah, Pop Smoke won't be happy with that remix.
Oh, you won't be happy with the remix.
Yes, he won't be happy.
And this view is so beautiful.
It's amazing. You're gonna have some fruit.
Let's go to the beach.
What time is it?
Summertime.
What time is it?
Autumn.
Man,
Winter.
It's 8:15.
You just like to fuck with me. That's what you like. Like, you just like to fuck with me, girl. I should get my pillows and let's go, yeah?
Let's roll.
You should carry money. There was money somewhere.
Just need to put it on our room.
Oh, yeah? Oh. Do you know what's the disadvantage with that?
What?
You keep paying.
That's what I was saying, no.
And ordering because you don't feel it.
Yeah.
So you would just order. And then when you're checking out your bills, like 1 million. How pretty, yeah?
It's so pretty. On a scale of 1 to 10, how pretty is it?
It's a 10. What? Like me, and I like nature. So nature will be like the perfect thing for me.
True that.
But if you are someone who doesn't like nature, which is weird, then you won't like this place.
Sorry. You're hungry, yeah?
But you know, everything your phone was done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hope it's gonna be nice. What's our venue called? Sheila or something.
Yeah.
This is me when I finish my food. This is my baby when he finishes his food. Are you proud of yourself?
Did you tell him you switched the plates?
It was a good night. Huh?
I said, did you tell him you switched the plates?
How can you even say, like, how? Oh, this is my place.
Yeah.
Wow, baby, you even ate all the sauce.
Man, I ate all the sauce.
See mine. And I'm the foodie.
You hardly eat, that's the thing.
But you
But
say
you're like a foodie, you're always eating like snacks, little stuff.
that's true. Anyway, we just had dinner, you guys. So we're gonna go sleep now. Good night. We'll see you on day 2 of the vlog.